Hey YouTube, so I'm going to be making a kill switch for my car. It's a Honda Accord. And what I've done here is I went to the scrapyard and I got these switches. They're for the moonroof. This is a 2003 Honda Accord, but it could work from 2003 to 2007. They're all the same. Anyways, I got these switches. They didn't cost anything, hardly. And what I'm doing is I'm testing to figure out what wires actually activate the switch, so I can hook into them. So what you need is a multimeter, and you put the black in the COM and the red in this continuity, and then you turn it to where it makes a sound. If you connect the red and the black. So you can see, like, when you make a connection, it makes a sound. So what I've determined is if you put the black on this black wire and then the red on this gray wire, black on there and the red on there. Okay. You pressing?
Hmm?
Yeah. So you see those wires complete the switch when you press to open the moonroof. So all I'm doing now is soldering together an extension onto this. So just make sure you heat up the wire and put a good amount of solder on there. Then what I got is this heat shrink tubing, which you just simply slide over top, and I have a heat gun, so I'm just going to shrink that on there. Okay guys, so I got it all hooked up now, and I put a little bit of liquid electrical tape on it as well, just for a little bit of extra waterproofing and protection. So what I'm going to show you now, I've already taken the panels off, but if you go down here, right here on the clutch, that yellow connection, that's called the clutch safety switch. So my plan is to, this one's for the cruise control. I'm just gonna take that out of the way. Is to take this off. Basically, this won't allow you to start the car unless you're pressing the clutch all the way down. Okay, so what I've done there is to just temporarily put my wire into there. So I'm gonna look for those connections at the scrapyard so I can keep everything functional. Because obviously you want to have that connected. You don't want to be able to start your car without it. But basically I'll have it to where you have to press down the clutch and you have to press this button at the first time. At the same time in order to start it. But right now what I'm going to do is just do this in order to test it. Okay guys, so check this out. I got it all hooked up. I got it in neutral, so I don't need to push down the clutch at all. Alright. Try to start it. Nothing. This is like what a thief You know, he'd be like, why isn't it starting? Why isn't it starting? So the only way to start it is to press this, which I think would be pretty complicated. I'm actually planning to put another switch there. So it's like, you know, there's so many, there'll be like 9 switches there. They have no idea what to press. It's, I think it's a pretty, and it's, you don't have to modify it. So look, start. There we go. Super easy, non-permanent. Like I said, what I'm going to do is go to the scrapyard and get the female and the male connection and connect it back up, but like a non-permanent connection, so I can take it off and put it back to how the factory is, how it was originally. Like, I'm not going to actually cut anything or modify anything. It's all non-permanent. But the good thing is it will all be with factory connections as well. So let me know what you think. I've never seen anybody make a kill switch like that. It's just something I came up with. Figured it would be easy. It's, you know, it's quite easy. You don't have to cut into your fuel line like relays or any of the other videos that I saw. Like, it's kind of, you know, you're permanently modifying your car. This is totally temporary, and it's easy, and it's cheap. You can get everything you need at the scrapyard besides like maybe, you know, an extra wire. So just let me know what you think, or any way I could improve it. Thanks.